We talk about how can you find your calendar on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on calendar here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then here you will find all events you have in this list here for economic data, and here for earnings here you will find here earnings. Then here you will find dividend here. So then here report here. So then here can you find all calendar you have all events. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.